Good day, everyone. My name is Harley, and here with us today we have Hennessy. We are from the University of Guam Community Nutrition Education Program, and today we'll be doing some fun activities. So the game that we'll be playing today is called Bulldozers and Builders, or Builders and Bulldozers. And so how you want to play this game is you gotta have at least two people to play this game. One will be the builder and one will be the bulldozer. And you wanna, the only equipment that you'll need for this game is either you're gonna use paper cups or plastic cups or cones if you have them at home. And so you wanna have an even number of cups or cones. So today we're using plastic cups. So we have 20 cups, 20 cups. Half of the cups is laying down and the other half is standing. So Hennessy will be our builder and I'll be the bulldozer. And so Hennessy's job is to make sure, as the builder, is to try to build as many cups as she can or make them stand. And then my job as a bulldozer is to try to knock down as many cups as I can within 30 seconds. Once the timer goes off at the 30 seconds, then we're gonna count how many cups are standing, and if most of the cups are standing, then Hennessy wins. And if most of the cups are laying down, then I, the bulldozer, wins. So, you ready? So let's get started. So, in 3, 2, 1, go.
Time.
Okay. Whew. That was a workout. So let's see who. Oh, we're gonna count how many cups are laying down, and whatever cups that are standing, it belongs to Hennessy, and whatever is laying down belongs to me. Okay, so Hennessy, you wanna count how many yours are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I have 5.
5. So 5 out of 20. I won! Yay! Thank you for watching our physical activity for today, and stay tuned for our next physical activity. Thank you!